Hey guys, M. Anderson here. So, there you are. You're a small or maybe even medium-sized business, and you're trying to get a loan just to continue to build your startup for your company, and you get shot down. Believe me, I've been there. I own my own small traditional business, and banks are just not loaning the money out today. And, you don't blame them, the state of the economy, yada, 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 all of that. So, I'm here to tell you about America Approved. We're a loan company, and we're here to fund you. Most people are approved. Nowadays, if you do go through a bank, you're going to wait 6 to 8 weeks till you hear back on whether you're approved for your loan. With us, it's 7 to 10 business days once you're approved to actually get your funding. And it takes 3 minutes to apply, and you actually hear back within 72 hours. So it's been really exciting. We're working with some awesome clients right now who haven't been able to get a loan through any financial institution, banking institution, and then have through us, and now they're able to go on and continue to grow their businesses. So if you have been in a position like that where you haven't been able to get a loan, I highly encourage you to click on the link below, watch the short video, and it'll send you right to where you need to go to apply for a loan. Again, it takes 3 minutes. You'll hear within 72 hours, and then once approved, it'll be 7 to 10 business days before you get your loan. So that's awesome. I don't know any other financial institution that has that quick of a turnaround. So definitely click on the link below, check it out. If you know anybody who needs a loan or is totally down in the dumps because they haven't been able to get a loan, have them check it out. But either way, let's talk. Let's get the ball rolling. Let's get that money in your bank account and your business growing. But yeah, let's get started. Thanks so much, guys. God bless.